Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable cellular data on iPhone. So cellular data on iPhone is the same thing as mobile data on iPhone. So your cellular data and mobile data are the same, just the only thing is the location determines whether you're going to see cellular data or mobile data on your iPhone. Now if you want to enable cellular data on your iPhone, just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page here, if you see mobile service or cellular service, then click on mobile service on your iPhone. Once that is clicked, locate mobile data. You can see I have mobile data instead of cellular data. So it's either you have mobile data here or you have cellular data. They are both the same thing. Then click on mobile data option to toggle on this. Once that is enabled, the mobile data options will be enabled. So if you click on this, then you have all these options under your mobile data. Now come back here and toggle on the mobile data. Once the mobile data is enabled on your iPhone, this will turn on your iPhone internet access. If your iPhone is not connected to a Wi-Fi, and even if it is connected to a Wi-Fi, you should see the mobile data or cellular data turned on here. So if I choose to turn off the mobile data here, and then I can easily turn on my cellular data or mobile data on the control center. Also, you can also come to the phone settings and turn on your mobile data or cellular data on that mobile service on here. So this mobile data or cellular data of a thing are similar because they are used based on country. So if this is awful on how to turn on cellular data on your iPhone, you want to hit that button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.